This is the XbotGo AI cameraman. Listen, I'm going to tell you real quick why do you need something like this. If you're playing a lot of sports and you're training and stuff and you don't have a friend or a family or anybody to record you, you could use this. You don't have to hire anybody or you don't have to pay anyone. You don't have to pay anyone or bug anyone to just record you all the time. And especially if you're going to the game and you're watching your kids playing and you're tired holding up and you're missing the actual game because you want to record. You're seeing the reality through a phone or a camera, which kind of sucks. Use this right here. All I'm going to show you right now, everything about it. You just put up the stand, hook this up with it, download the app. It's an AI app and it will follow your kids playing. While this is recording, you could actually use your eyes and watch the game and support your kids without missing anything because you got everything recorded right here. So what's in the box? So we have the device itself. We have a nice travel pouch that you could put inside when you're done. You have the guide right here. Read it. It's a whole book if you need to go through it. We have a remote control right here. And then you got a nice tripod, a small one that comes. That's a true USB charger. So this tripod is small. It just sits like that. And what you screw to the bottom right here. Everything just screws on right there. So this is a good idea if you just want to rest it by itself right there and you have a nice perfect height. Now if you want a longer, higher tripod, because people are going to be like, well, this is too low, it's not going to work, then you got this right here. This will expand really long, and all you got to do is just unscrew this, and they also send a nice carrying case. So everything is nice and good quality. Longer tripod, all you do is just screw, and you just screw it on. Takes like what, 10 seconds to screw this on only. This is it. I'm outside. We're gonna re-recording some stuff so you could see how long it is, and you could adjust it. You could just screw this to unlock and screw to tighten back up, but you could see how high it is, and we got our device right here. So this will capture everything we want. So if you look closer, we have the charge in here. We have a lot of power key, turn-in key and stuff like that. You just hold this on and it powers right up, tells you the battery level right here, and it could go horizontal or vertical, whichever way you want to video. Overall, I'm gonna tell you, it's a good product. You just have to download the app, read the instruction, and mess around with it a little bit. Eventually you will figure out how to use it. It's not that hard. It just, take a little bit of time. You could also do live, and you could do soccer, basketball, tennis, and a lot of stuff and video in really good. Make sure to get this extended tripod. It's a bigger one. And it could easy to move around because you're not going to always have like somewhere high to use this. So this is a big plus that they made this.